Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Book of Science. Today I am teaching about 10th class biology icse syllabus important questions in the nervous system and previous year question papers. So some of the students asked mention the answer also. So I am sharing the answers also. Before going to the questions, first of all I prepared a mind map for the nervous system. So first of all we learn the nervous system, after then we will come these important questions. So this is the mind map of human nervous system. This is the human nervous system, two types, CNS, PNS. CNS means central nervous system, PNS means peripheral nervous system. So central nervous system has mainly two organs, brain and spinal cord, and the peripheral nervous system has nerves, mainly nerves. So central nervous system has mainly two organs, brain and spinal cord. So brain has mainly three parts, cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla oblongata, and learn the functions also. So this is the central nervous system, brain. So this one is spinal cord, and peripheral nervous system also two type of nervous system, somatic nervous system, SNS, somatic nervous system, SNS, autonomic nervous system, so ANS. So peripheral nervous system has two types, somatic nervous system, autonomic nervous system. So somatic nervous system are voluntary. These are two types of nerves. So cranial nerves, spinal nerves. Cranial nerves rises from the brain and the spinal nerves rises from the spinal cord. So cranial nerves 12 pairs, spinal nerves 31 pairs. So cranial nerves have sensory, motor, mixed, three types of nerves. So sensory means optic nerves to eyes and olfactory nerves to nose and auditory nerves to ears, and motor nerves are going to eye muscles, so etc. Mixed are going or coming from face or tongue. So this is the cranial nerves, and spinal nerves are 31 pairs. So spinal nerves are only mixed nerves. Mixed nerves means both sensory and motor nerves. Next one, autonomic nervous system. Autonomic nervous system also two types, sympathetic and parasympathetic. Sympathetic nervous system means it is a stimulatory. So it is the stimulatory, and parasympathetic is calming. So here sympathetic nervous system between neck and waist. So this is the stimulatory, and accelerate heartbeat and dilute people and constricts blood vessels and release blood sugar from liver, and it is stimulated by adrenal gland. So adrenal gland secreted hormone is adrenaline. So this is the stimulated sympathetic nervous system. Parasympathetic means nerves above neck and below sacral. So this is the calming. Next, normal body condition. So parasympathetic nervous system helps to the calming the body condition, and the sympathetic nervous system acts as the rising blood pressure and increases the heartbeat, just like that. Some of the students asked answers also, so I write the answers here. What is neuron? So neuron means the nervous system made up of a nerve cells. Nerve cells is called a neuron. What are the parts of neuron? In this, some of the students confusion neuron, nephron. So neuron is the basic unit in the brain. Nephron is present in the kidney. Neuron is present in the brain. So what are the parts of the neuron? So three parts we know that: cell body, axon, dendrites. Cell body also called cyton. Cell body also called cyton, axon, dendrites. What is neurolemma? Neurolemma is a myelinated sheet is covered. What is stimulus, impulse, response, receptors, effectors? So these all questions answer I will mention in the next video. What is depolarization? Depolarization means sodium ion moves inside. It means it is excited region. What is repolarization means sodium transport to outside. Repolarization means sodium transport to outside. It is also called sodium pump. What is synapse? Synapse is a point between the terminal branches of the neurons, two neurons. Terminals means dendrites. So two neurons attaching point, just like this, it is called a synapse. What is acetylcholine? How many types of neurons? Name them. So we know three types of neurons: sensory neuron, motor neuron, associate neuron. Draw a diagram of nerve. Types of nerves name. So there are three types of nerves: sensory, motor, mixed. What are the division of the nervous system? So two types. It is called central nervous system, peripheral nervous system. So these are all important questions we will learn. If we will learn the mind map of a nervous system, we will answer these questions very easy and very quick. So what are the divisions of nervous system? Two: central nervous system, peripheral nervous system. So central nervous system consists of, we know that, brain and spinal cord. Next one, peripheral nervous system consists of, we know that also it is again two types: somatic nervous system, autonomic nervous system. Peripheral nervous system consists of two subdivisions. What are the two subdivisions? Somatic nervous system, autonomic nervous system. What is the brain weight? So 1.35 kgs. The water percentage is 80%. Oxygen taken percentage is in the brain 25%. So name the meninges of the brain. Meninges means coverings, layers or covering of the brain. So name the meninges of brain. Three types of meninges. First, dura mater, arachnoid, pia mater. So dura mater is outer layer, arachnoid is middle, pia is inner. So dura mater is outer tough and arachnoid middle is thin. So pia mater inner. Next, how many major parts of brain? So we know that brain has three parts: cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla oblongata. Next, write three functions of cerebrum. Write two functions of cerebellum. I will mention in the next video. What is corpus callosum? So corpus callosum is, it is connects two hemispheres of the brain and transform the information. Subconscious mind or unconscious mind is located where? Which part in the brain? It is in the part of the brain cerebrum. So what is called little brain? So little brain is also called cerebellum. Next, an alcoholic person walks clumsily. Why? What is the reason? It means cerebellum. Why he walks clumsily? Cause of cerebellum. So unable to coordinate muscular activity. So injury of dash normally result death. So medulla oblongata. Which part of the brain? Medulla oblongata. What is the function of medulla oblongata? It controls all activities, heartbeat, digestion, all functions. Medulla oblongata is control. Next, what are the examples of medulla activities? In the next video, I will share some other important questions in the nervous system. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe to my channel.